guys, it's Ultimate R3000 from Randomizer 3000, and welcome to another video. And today, tonight, I'll be playing a Pulse Board again. And this bow and arrows thing came in so awesome. I can't believe it was on a Christmas thing, that everything will be like, super and icy. I can't say number. Can't say it in chat. Okay, and Pro Sports is looking cool. I thought his name was, I don't know his name. I really want this. I want this. Give me this for all of this. Wait a minute. Ah, that's much better. Okay, let's see. Yes or no? Come on. Please. Oh, really? Okay, I'm just gonna doze. Yes, I did. I did start. I've been recording. Okay, anyone else on? No. Let's see, if he will want that for that, or, oh, it's right here. Wait. Okay, you want that? You want that? Yeah. Why not? Okay, let's play now. Okay, fine, I'll play. This is not gonna be another game day. Let's see if I can win this for everyone. He's not gonna get this. Let's see. Oh, trying to do that. No, you're not gonna get it. Okay, what is he trying to do? I don't get your tactics. No. Oh my god! Okay, let's play something else. Come on, come on, come on, no. See, this for. Fine! It's a draw. Let's see. Accept it, please. Okay. I want to find out how to hack people. I want to find out. Tell me. Tell me, anyone. I'm gonna hack you first. Oh, that's smart. I'm gonna get your wings. Okay. Follow me. I'm just trying to get away from him. Okay. You follow me? Will you follow me? You want a moon necklace? For that? Really? 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 What's so funny? Can I delete this animal? Can I delete it? Really? Wow. Stop laughing! Can't write XD. Lollipop. Okay, let me recycle you. Yes, I'll erase you. Let's see. Who do I want? I'll get a penguin. Mutant Superwolf. Go on. Okay. Do I look good in this? I better. Okay, let's see. Where's fire? Okay. Yes, I look awesome. Okay. Let's go to the level 2. Oh, no one's here. Anyone? 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 Let's switch animals. Oh, I'm in level 2. Where are you? Whole sport. What are you doing? No, the adventure, not the party! Let's go on an adventure. Okay, follow me. Let's go, Polosport. Don't don't stay there. Okay, we're here. This one. Okay, let's go. Yay! Polosport. Why do I have to talk to you, stupid? I mean, why do I have to talk to you? I don't want to talk to you. Okay. Wow. Oh my gosh! I'm dead, I'm dead. Okay, what is he doing? Okay, you know what? I'm just going. Without you. Oh, I can't do it, can I? I can't. Ah! No, don't kill me! Don't! Kill. Oh my god! And Polosport's doing nothing. Um, useless as usual. Oh my gosh, Phantoms, stop it. I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. I'm so dead. So dead. Okay, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, any more quirks? Ah! Ah! What did I do? Ah, no, no. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is hard. Level 2 is the hardest. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, yes. Yes. I'm gonna kill these guys, man. These are annoying. Okay, and he's dead. Oh. Whew. Okay, this is really hard. This is really hard. Ah! Oh! Ah! E! Ooh! Ah! 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 Ooh. This is really hard. Oh my gosh, no! No, 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 no. No, no, no! Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Try this again. Water! Yes, he's dead. He's dead. Yes. Dead meat. You're not gonna get me. You're not gonna get me. Yay. Okay, coast is clear. Let's get in there, Glenn. Ah. Oh. Okay, this is really hard. But I need the thing, so get eaten. Do suicide.